Lush Loom has successfully completed another premium curtain installation project, this time at the prestigious Limestone House in DIFC, Dubai. Located in one of Dubai's most exclusive residential communities, this project required a window treatment solution that combined luxury aesthetics with outstanding functionality. Our client wanted complete light control, enhanced privacy, and superior sound insulation without compromising the elegant interior design. After carefully understanding the client's requirements, our team recommended a custom-made 5-layered acoustic curtain system, a premium solution designed for luxury homes where comfort, style, and performance matter equally. Every curtain was precisely measured, professionally tailored, and manufactured using high-quality fabrics to ensure a flawless finish. Before installation, our specialists carefully inspected each window, verified every measurement, and prepared the mounting system to achieve perfect alignment. Once everything was ready, our experienced installation team securely fitted the curtain tracks and carefully installed each curtain panel with exceptional attention to detail. Every fold was adjusted to create a smooth, elegant appearance that perfectly complements the sophisticated interiors of Limestone House. As the curtains glided smoothly into place, the transformation was immediate. The living spaces felt brighter, more refined, and effortlessly luxurious, creating an atmosphere that perfectly matched the elegance of this prestigious residence. What was once a simple window became a stunning design feature. The rich fabric textures, perfectly tailored pleats, and seamless installation added warmth, sophistication, and timeless beauty to every room. The 5-layer construction provides multiple benefits. It significantly reduces outside noise, enhances privacy throughout the day, blocks unwanted sunlight, improves thermal insulation, and creates a peaceful indoor atmosphere. Whether relaxing with family, working from home, or enjoying a quiet evening, these curtains help transform the living space into a more comfortable and luxurious environment. Beyond exceptional performance, every detail reflects the craftsmanship that defines Lush Loom. From the precise alignment of every track to the flawless drape of every curtain, our commitment to quality is evident in every corner of this beautiful home. Beyond performance, the rich fabric texture and premium craftsmanship add warmth, depth, and elegance to every room. The curtains blend seamlessly with the apartment's modern interior, creating a refined finish that reflects the luxury lifestyle of DIFC. If you're looking to upgrade your home with luxury curtains, blackout curtains, acoustic curtains, motorized curtains, or complete window treatment solutions anywhere in Dubai, our team is ready to help you create a space that is both beautiful and functional. Lush Loom, bringing luxury, comfort, and craftsmanship to every window. Contact us today to schedule your free consultation and discover the perfect window treatment solution for your home.